Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Oh, we had a super-duper time today when we got a visit from Clarence the Goose and from our good friend Mother Goose. Mother Goose was taking her book of rhymes to the library for children to borrow. You can borrow books if you put your name on a library card, just as Sean did. We tried to bring Clarence back by telling lots of Mother Goose rhymes, like to market, and Humpty Dumpty. We found fun games in Mother Goose's book, like London Bridge and Ring Around the Rosie. And I got to use my imagination to make believe that I was Wee Willie Winkie. We had such a good time, it's no wonder that Clarence came back to Mother Goose. And you can have fun like that too, with Mother Goose's book or lots of other books from the library. You're going to love the library, and I love you.